Hello, this is Maria here, and today we're gonna do a little bit of magic with the stencil and some nail files. So the first thing I did was to try it in a paper like this. This comes from a magazine, and I just did some texturization, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do it, and then I'm going to be using it as a background for this beautiful girl that I have over here. So as you can see, I'm using dark colors of magazine pages or magazine pages with dark colors. Like I can use this one, I can use this one. For this case I choose this black one, and we're gonna have some diamonds around there, but I'm going to start by texturizing the paper. So I'm gonna put the stencil on the back of my magazine page, and then I'm going to go with my file and I'm going to work over here. So as you can see, the process is very quick and almost magical, and the results are great. And these techniques offer a great amount of possibilities, and that's what we're looking for. We're looking to do something different, something nice, and something that we can use in our journals. And you can see here how the images or the figures from the stencil are already on the paper. So I'm going to do the same for the back of the girl. So I'm going to put it there, and I'm using my grid so I can have all my papers at an angle. So I'm making sure that I have my stencil in a good position in order to start working. I'm going to do the same I did in the previous half of the page. And as you can see, it is beautiful and the possibilities are endless, as I said before. Also, I want to show you, I have around here some testing I did. Of course, if you want to know more, I'm going to link all the videos related with this technique down below. So this is a feather I did. This is another stencil. Look at how beautiful it is. And you can create the effects depending on the size and kind of nail file that you have. And also you can see this. I'm gonna link all the videos related with this technique because I know that you're gonna love it, and I know that you're going to use it. Look at this beautiful one. Also, I have this one, I have this beautiful one. You can go by layers, and I have this texturized one. This is all in grayscale. But let's keep going with the little girl. So I have her here, and I have two options. I can do the borders or the background as it is, or I can just go ahead and leave the little diamond crown there. I really don't know. Let me see in the camera how it looks like. I can go probably and do this, but in this case I need to cut part of the body. That will be, I'm gonna be losing her hand, but I think that is okay because I'm gonna have all the diamonds there in the crown and the little headband, and also I'm gonna have her face really cute. So I'm gonna be going in here because I need to complete the whole background with the stencil. So let me go in here. I'm gonna go down in this case, and I keep going with my stencil over here, and of course with my nail file. I'm gonna try this one. It's a little bit harder, and let's see what happens. Yes, you see the effect is completely different than the previous one I have on the top of the page, but I love it. I really like it. Probably I like it more than this one, but it is okay. I'm gonna have both. I'm gonna have this with a different nail file, and I'm gonna have this here, down here, with this nail file. So let's go here. Stencils are great, and you know, and I know that you have them, and you've been using them with ink all the time, or probably with paint. But now I'm proposing to use the stencils in a different way, like I'm showing to you in this video. So I'm just gonna glue her over here, and I think it's more than perfect. I like it, and I'm going to enjoy the final product that I'm gonna have. So I'm gonna add the glue, and always remembering you that you can always subscribe to my channel. You can hit here, this little button here, and then you'll be subscribed. Or also you can go in the last frame of this video and then hit my picture, and then you'll be subscribed to my channel. You hit the picture there and then you're subscribed. And also don't forget to hit the bell, click on the bell, and then in a blink of an eye you'll be subscribed, and also you'll be notified by YouTube every time I post a new video. So I have my girl here, and I'm just gonna cut this extra piece I have there, and that will be the final result. So I think that is really nice, but I want to add another extra detail, and that will be a butterfly. I've been using this stamp. It was glue on a frame of wood, but I don't like that too much, because when you use it, it gets like super tall, and the effect is not as good as the effect that you gain with the stencil, because the stencil is flat. So let me explain it to you. I'm just gonna get rid of the extra foam that I have here, because we really don't need it. And this is gonna be more like a flat stencil, or also like these clear stamps. So the idea is to have this butterfly probably around here, and also I can go ahead and just get rid of the whole borders of the butterfly. We don't need them, because away from helping us, this is going to be causing some problems. So I'm just going to cut my stamp. I never thought I was going to be cutting a stamp, but I'm doing it because I know that the results are going to be nicer, and I really want to have it like so. So now I have the butterfly, and I'm going to go here. Probably I'm going to make her being looking at a butterfly, probably there. Okay, let's try. So wish me good luck, and I'm going to try. One thing that you can always do is grab a piece of paper, and then before you do the file on your paper, like in the final version, you try on a separate paper, so you're gonna be sure that it's going to be working the way you want on the paper. So I really like the result, so I'm gonna be using this file. Let me try another one on the back of this nail file. Yes, this is different. This is more like a shadow. I like it more with the thicker part, so I'm going to be using the rough part of my nail file. So I'm going to put this here. Let me go in my grid. So I'm in number 2, and then my butterfly will be probably on number 4. So I'm going to be having her like watching the butterfly. Here we go. As I said, this is magical. I really like it. Sometimes you can get a really bit of, like, you know, little hole or something if you go too hard, but it doesn't matter. In any case, everything is texture, and we want to do something different, something original. So I think that this is a great idea for you to do something totally different. And so the butterfly is here. And also I can probably have, I don't know if I can have another one there. No, I think that is enough. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below if you are going to try this technique, if you are liking it. And also let me try in here with another stencil, so you can see another way to find or to found more results. So in this case I have a stencil with a feather. Like if you just simply go in here, you're gonna have the feather on the paper. Then you can go with different sizes or type of files, and that is the result in this case with this stencil. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments down below. And I'm gonna link all my videos about this technique also in the description box. So for this project we use stencil, nail files. I cut this beautiful stamp and I use it in here, so she's gonna be watching the butterfly. Also, I want to put this on my journal because I know you always ask me like, oh, where are you gonna put this in your journal? Show us the result. So this is the journal I'm working currently. And also I left a video about this bug box or butterfly box. It's just as entomologists do, so I'd like to share it with you, and I wanted you to watch that video so you can also have it in your journal. So let's go ahead and look for a place for her. I was thinking to have her on this page, but I need to go like this way. I don't want to cut her because that's the beauty of the whole work, of the whole project. So the only way I have is to place her here and then fold this. I don't know, what do you think? Let me know. And also I want to show you this one I did in my previous episode. I really want you to take a look at the video because I show you step by step how I dressed this beautiful forest fairy. So go ahead and watch the episode. I'm gonna link it down below. So let me look for a page that is the same width so I can have this beautiful girl glue it in there. So I think it's this one. This is a little bit shorter in here, but I don't think that matters too much. And let me see, I don't know if I have another page. Let me just take a look because this is the half of the journal. You see, one page is shorter, another one is longer. So I have two of the same size here. Probably that's the right place for her. Yes, I was doing something with this. This is for my next video, and no problem. Let's have the girl over here. And what I'm thinking is I'm going to start a journal that is a little bit bigger, so I can probably use the full magazine pages. So I'm gonna have more opportunity to use these amazing works that I'm doing lately. I'm not really convinced about, you know, having a crevice here because I really like it so much. So what I'm going to do is, let me look for the pages I have. And I coffee dyed some of the pages I have here, and I'm going to be using them for this case. And yeah, because I want to have the girl like the way it is. I don't want to cut it. So I'm sorry because, you know, I was like looking inside my journal, but this is for a different size of materials and ephemeras. So let's do it here, and probably this is gonna be the cover for this journal. Who knows? Let me see, what do we have here? So this is what I'm gonna do. I have these papers, a music sheet. I coffee dyed. I was doing some testing with the technique of the stencils in here, but that is the paper I need, the size for this amazing girl. So let's just add the glue around here, and let's have it for my next journal. So this is going to be part of a signature I'm going to be doing very soon, because I already have a bunch of pages ready. So all I need to do is grab everything together and start making my journal. So I don't mind to get rid of one of these little parts here, but I want to keep that sleeve there. So I'm just going to move it a little bit to the right, like so you can see the coffee dyed paper on the back. And here I just can go ahead and cut this extra part. You can always fold it. Let's see, we can fold it. Yeah, it's gonna be better. It's reinforcing the margin of the page, which we also want, because you know, with the coffee and the old paper it can get a little bit weak. So we reinforce the border of the page using the extra from the previous page. So this is going to be one of the amazing pages of collages that I'm gonna have in my next project. So I hope you like it. I hope you get the technique and you start doing your own creations. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know if you're gonna try this, if you like it, if you think that it's going to be great for your journal. And also don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Go click here or go click in here, and the last page in this picture over here, you can always be subscribing to my channel. So thanks for watching, and I see you soon in my next episode. Bye bye, and thanks for watching. Bye friends. Bye bye.